If you have to change the file system, fix file corruption problem, or you have to extend a partition, you have to multiple way to delete one or multiple partitions on Windows 11 through the settings app. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to delete drive partition on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on System. Click on Storage. Under the Storage Management section, click on Advanced Storage Settings. Click the Disk and Volume settings. Select the partition and click the Properties button. Under the Format section, click the Delete button to erase the partition on Windows 11. Click Delete Volume. Once you complete the step, the partition and data will be deleted from the driver on Windows 11. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.